Good afternoon to all my students. Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel RS Mathematics, and this chapter pair of linear equation, which is in CBSE course and in ICSE course. So today we have to discuss about pair of linear equation, and it is the most important chapter of CBSE Mathematics. And so in pair of linear equation, most important part are graphical method, algebraic method, upstream downstream problem, and next one is train problem, train problem. Next one is edge problem. So these are the most important concept of pair of linear equation in two variable. So before we go to the topic, first we have to discuss what is the pair of linear equation in two variables. So pair means, we already know that pair means two. Linear means whose degree is 1, degree 1, degree 1. Equation already we know that in 9th class. Two variable means variable x and y, or any two variables y, z, x, t. Any two variable means we take here two variable x and y. So first we discuss about the equation which contain two variable and which contain one variable. So before that we take some idea of equation. Here we take two equation, 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Another equation is x plus y equal to 10. So in 2x minus 4 equal to 0, if we solve this equation, then 2x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So here x equal to 2, that means we get here one solution and one unknown here in this equation. This equation contain one unknown and one equation, one unknown and one equation. So we get one particular solution x equal to 2. But in this equation, here it contain two variable, one variable x, another variable y, and equation is one equation x plus y equal 10. So this equation contain two unknowns. These equation contain two unknowns x and y, but one equation. So if we solve this equation, we get different solution. That means suppose if we take x equal to 9, then automatically y equal to 1. Since if we put x equal to 9, y equal to n, y equal to 1, then we get x plus y equal to 10. Similarly, suppose someone says x equal to 8, then y equal to 2. So in this kind, we get different types of solution, that is known as infinite solution. So these equation which contain two unknown and one equation, here we get infinitely many solution. But if we need one particular solution, then we must have to take two pair of linear equation. So for this type of equation, we need two pair of linear equation. So for this reason, we have to study pair of linear equation in two variable. So pair of linear equation in two variable, that means the general form of pair of linear equation, in two variable x and y. So first we have to discuss about what is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variable x and y. So general form is a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So this is known as the general form of pair of linear equation. In this pair of linear equation, here two unknowns are x and y. That means we have to find the value of x and y, and we have to solve the value of x and y. Here two unknowns are x and y. Two equations are a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. That means these two equations is known as pair of linear equation. Linear equation means the degree of variable x and y are 1, so it is known as linear. Equation means left hand side, it contains left hand side and right hand side with equal side. Clear? So pair means two equations. Linear means the degree of variable are 1. Two variable means variable are x and y. So we clear that general form of linear equation is a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. From these two equations, we have to find the solution, and which kind of solution we get, we have to discuss here. So first one is graphical method. How to find the solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. So first we have to take pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So if we solve pair of linear equation, given pair of equation in graphical method, suppose two equations are given here, a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So here we have to solve the solution of x and y. So how to solve it? So before that, we take first equation. First we take first equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1. So how to solve it in graphical method? First we make a table with variable x and y. Suppose we put x equal to 0, then find the value of y. If you put x equal to 0 here, a1 into 0 plus b1y equal to c1, that means y equal to c1 by b1. So if you put x equal to 0, then this part becomes 0. So here it will remain b1y equal to c1, that means y equal to c1 by b1. Again, if we put y equal to 0, then we get x equal to c1 by a1. So here we get 2 points. First point is 0 c1 b1. Second point is c1 by a1 comma 0. So from first linear equation we get 2 points. Similarly, we also get another 2 points from second equation. Second equation is a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So similar procedure is applied here. We take x and y as two variable, then put x equal to 0, we get y equal to c2 by b2. Similarly, we put y equal to 0, we get x equal to c2 by a2. Okay, so here we get 2 points, 0 comma c2 by b2. Another equation is c2 by a2 comma 0. So next step is step 1 for solution by graphical method. Here we take one table, another table. Then step 2. In step 2, by taking these points, in step 2, by taking these points, we draw the straight line, on graph paper. So to draw the points of above two equation, we take a graph paper. Suppose here we take a graph paper, and here is origin 0, this is x axis, this is y axis, and we draw the point. For first equation, point is 0 C1 B1. For second equation, point is C1 A1 0. By taking these 2 points, draw one straight line, any straight line here. Suppose again by taking these points, suppose we get another straight line is here. So from these two equations, we have to study which type of solution gives the pair of linear equation, that is unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions. So this is the procedure, general procedure for finding the solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. But we have to find the solution of pair of linear equation by giving an example. So here we have to discuss an example. Suppose we take two pair of linear equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 5. So we have to solve the value of x and y by graphical method. So see that we have to apply the above the previous procedure. First we take, here is one equation, another equation. So first from equation 1, we take 2x plus 3y equal to 6 and draw the table. X variable y, take x equal to 0, y equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Then take y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, then 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. So here we get 2.02 and 30. So from first equation we get 2.02 and 30. Similarly from equation 2, equation 2 is x minus y equal to 5. So similarly we draw the table of equation 2 by taking two variables x and y. If we put x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 5. Similarly, if we put y equal to 0, then x equal to plus 5. So here we get 2 points, 0, minus 5 and 5, 0. Here we get 2 points, 0, minus 5 and 5, 0. So from first equation we get 2 points, and from second equation we get 2 points. By taking these 2 points, next step is we have to draw the straight line on graph paper. So we take the graph paper. You already know from 9th class that how to draw the graph paper. From this point we have to take the maximum value on x-axis and on y-axis. With whatever may be the maximum value on x coordinate or in y coordinate, we have to take the maximum value on graph paper. So point is 0, 2, 3, 0 and point is 0, minus 5, 5, 0. So we take the graph paper here. Here is the origin. So maximum value in x coordinate 3, 5. So we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maximum value in y coordinate is 2. That is equal to, in positive axis, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 2. On negative axis, it is equal to minus 5. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So on negative x-axis there is no point. So we take only positive axis point, x axis point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from first equation we get these 2 points. So we take these 2 points and draw the straight line. First one is 0, 2, 0, 2 point is, here is 0, 2, and second point is 3, 0, 3, 0 point is here. So we draw a straight line 0, 2 and 3, 0. Second point, from second equation we get 2 points 0, minus 5 and 5, 0. So 0 minus 5 point is here. So indicate by dotted line, and here is 5, 0. So we indicate here by dotted point. So we draw two equation here. First equation point, and this is the first equation line, and this is second equation line. And from this equation we clear that which type of solution gives these two pair of linear equation. So we clear that here these two equations intersect in this point. So it gives unique solution. So we check here. Equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 6x minus y equal to 5. We have to check whether it gives unique solution or infinite many solution or no solution. For that, when we apply some rule, that is the rules are for unique solution. For unique solution, a1 by b1 not equal to a2 by b2. Second rule is for infinitely many solution. Condition is a1 by b1, a2 by equal to a2 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That means all are equal here. a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Third, for no solution. For no solution, condition is a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So here we take a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. For unique solution, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. For infinite many solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. For no solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So we have to check here. These equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 5. So here a1 equal to 2, then b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 6, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 1, c2 equal to 5. So here you clear that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So it is unique solution. Unique solution means two lines are intersecting one point. That is intersecting lines. That is known as intersecting lines. So from the graph we clear that these two lines intersect in this point. This point is known as A. So it gives unique solution. So from these two equations we clear that from the condition that it is unique solution, and from the graph we also clear that it is also unique solution. So in this type we solve the graphical problem method in pair of linear equation.